Hi everyone, Jason again, and today I am very excited to do an unboxing of my first Birkin. So this was purchased just last weekend, brand new from the store. So this is a Birkin 30, meaning that the width is 30 centimeters. The leather is Togo, so it's black or Noir in Hermès terminology. Definitely keeps its structure very well, very easy to clean. Scratches easily buff out, very easy to maintain. That's why I chose Togo for my first bag, so I don't really have to worry about it too much. Hardware is obviously gold. So let's go open it up. I opted to go with a classic black and gold for my first bag, just so that I can use it as an everyday bag. And I think as I expand my collection, I'll go explore some of the different colors and different styles that Hermès has to offer. So many of you are likely already familiar with the Birkin, so I'm not going to go into the history. Obviously you can see that all the gold hardware is here. You have the Hermès stamp right here. There's also Hermès Paris right here with another little stamp right there. Very small. Inside, we have obviously one big compartment, a nice zipper compartment, again matching hardware, so gold in this case. Then a little pocket right here in the front inside the compartment. Two handles, definitely very supportive. You can either hold it like this, or you can also obviously hold it under your crook of your arm, excuse me, like this. Meaning people just hold it like this, and then obviously you can do the straps up. You can either do it like that, or you can pull it through the sides, put the strap into the little holder here, and then do it on top. Like this. Like so. And if you want to be really formal, you can take this flap, have it come down the front as well, kind of come on top of the hardware. Like this. Then we have the clochette, which is the little lock. Again, matching gold hardware. Comes with 2 keys. And what you can do is lock it in here. I still have the plastic on, so I'm not going to put it all the way through. But then you can wrap it around the strap and kind of close it up like this to secure what you have inside. So definitely very excited for for this first bag. I'm going to use it as an office bag once we start going back into the office. And before I go, I should also mention the feet are also in matching gold hardware too. So definitely really love the attention to detail, the craftsmanship on the bag. So it takes one Hermès artisan, I believe, one week to make a bag, and one person does it from start to finish. So definitely the quality, the consistency, and the feel of the bag is amazing. The smell of the new leather is also really great, and I'm definitely looking forward to expanding this collection over time. In September 2020, this Birkin 30, again in Togo with gold hardware, retails for $11,000 US. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.